Welcome to S English. Our lesson today is school things.
Pen, pen. Eraser, eraser. Pencil, pencil. Ruler, ruler. Book, book. Bag, bag. Folder, folder. Door, door. Window, window. Bookcase, bookcase. What's this? It's a bookcase. It's a window. It's a door. It's a folder. It's a bag. It's a book. It's a ruler. It's a pencil. It's an eraser. It's a pen.